Here's a pair of Beats Fitbit Pro. These are the Kim Kardashian model. And you have an issue where you're having problems like connecting or pairing or whatnot. I'll show you how to do a factory reset. So it's very simple here. So the factory reset is, first thing, make sure that both of the buds are in there and in there properly, okay? And then you just want to go ahead and close it. And then we're going to go ahead and open it. As soon as we open it, it should be like in pairing mode, okay? But even if not, it doesn't matter. It should be blinking. Mine's not actually blinking because it's paired to a different device somewhere. But anyway, let's just do a factory reset. So you have this button up here. What you want to do is press and hold for about 18 seconds or so, okay? Make sure both buds are in there. Here's the button right here. Ready, set, go. Press and hold. Just keep on holding for about 18 seconds. Just wait until you see a red LED. Okay, just wait. You can see a white blinking light there. Just keep on holding till we see the red. Again, it takes about 18 seconds or so. So just be patient. Oh, I just saw red. Now go ahead and let go. And now it's performing a factory reset itself. And now once it's done factory reset, it's going to be in pairing mode. Now it's blinking. Okay, so if I bring up another device, it should be able to find it like right there. Okay, pretty simple. Questions or issues, just comment below.